Hello, dear sixth semester students. Today I am with you with a topic binary opposition by structuralist Levi-Strauss. He is also an anthropologist. So, what is structuralism? Structuralism actually believes that things cannot be understood in isolation. We can only understand it in the context of larger structures that they are part of. Suppose যে কোনো একটা বস্তু, suppose the human body. So we have a skeleton inside us. That is a system that provides supports for the human organism. So structuralism এইটো বিশ্বাস কৰে যে যিকোনো এটা বস্তু জানিবলৈ হ'লে সি এটা ডাঙৰ ষ্ট্ৰাকচাৰৰ এটা পাৰ্ট আৰু সেই ষ্ট্ৰাকচাৰটো so Levi-Strauss also derives the idea of binary opposition also from linguistics. So linguistics, Saussure's linguistics, we all know the Lang and Parole. Parole is individual utterance, but Lang is the underlying system, the inherent system of a language. So এই যে মই ক'লো things cannot be understood in isolation. Suppose মই যদি তোমালোকক কওঁ হৌ তাত ৰাম আছে নেকি, তোমালোকে চালা দেখিলা যে তাত ৰাম নাই. You will reply, no sir, Ram is not there. But if I ask you the question, how can you know that Ram is not there? Because Ram is not there. Ram যেহেতু নাইয়ে তুমি কেনেকৈ জানিলা যে তাত ৰাম নাই? Because you have seen other things there, the chair, the table, the fan, the wall, and so on. So সেইকাৰণে তোমালোকে বুজিছা. অৰ্থাৎ মিনিং লিংগুইষ্টিক চচুৰৰ পৰা যেহেতু তেওঁ অলপ আইডিয়া লৈছে যে মিনিং ইজ that is not referential. Meaning is relational, differential. যেনে আমি গম পাওঁ যে আমাৰ গৰম পানী গাত পৰিলে আমাৰ গৰম লাগে. কিয় গম পাওঁ? Because we know what is hot and what is cold. আমি ঠাণ্ডা পানী গাত লাগাটো আগতে গম পাইছোঁ. গতিকে আমি কিতাপ এখনক আমি কিতাপ বুলি ক'লেই যে আমি বুজি পাম, তাক যদি আমি মিউট বা কিউট কিবা তাক আমি ট্ৰেডিশ্যনেলি যদি সেনেকৈয়ে ক'লোঁ হয়, আজি মিউট বুলি ক'লে আমি কিতাপ বুজিলোহেঁতেন. অৰ্থাৎ মিনিং ইজ নট ৰেফাৰেঞ্চিয়েল, ইট ইজ চিগনিফায়াৰ প্লাছ চিগনিফাইড এজ একৰ্ডিং টু Saussure. That means one sound image plus one that is called mental image. That suppose dog, the sound image in Assam is kukur, in Hindi kutta, but the mental image is almost same. In Indian context we think of the Indian street dogs or some of the other species that are brought from the foreign countries and so on. So ji hok আজি মই without much elaboration I am just giving you some points. What is binary opposition? Generally we all know day and night, man and woman, these all are binary opposition. So directly I am coming to the point. Suppose kinship. What is kinship? Levi-Strauss takes the help of kinship to explain the idea of binary opposition. So what is kinship? So in every culture of this world, whether in Africa or in Czech Republic, in every village or in every tribe of the world, there is a kinship system. Kinship means blood relation or any kind of relationship. So in every culture, there is a kinship system. So kinship is a system that actually says who can marry whom. Suppose in every culture there is a kinship relationship, that sexual relationships between close relatives is strictly prohibited. Suppose between brother and sister and so on. Even between cousin marriage is there in some culture, cross cousin actually. So actually what this kinship idea of kinship starts from? It starts from an incest taboo. Incest mean illegal sexual relationship. Taboo means prohibition. That means prohibition of illegal or sexual relationship between close relatives. And for that, what we have to do? We have to exchange whether a man or a woman. We give our daughters and we receive daughters in law for the smooth running of the society. So now in every culture of this world, this incest taboo is there. So how it is? Because Levi-Strauss thinks that the human mind works in binary opposition, suppose good and evil. It is considered as evil, not good. Levi-Strauss thinks that there is a common human thought, common thought process in every society, or in the mind of every people of every country. Suppose a civilized man, as per Levi-Strauss, a civilized man and a savage man of centuries ago think in a same manner, as per Levi-Strauss. That is why this incest taboo is there. Actually, just like language, जो आमी जदि कওঁ যে rat, আমি কিয় বুজি পাওঁ rat নিগনি, আমি কিয় cat বুলি পটকে আমি নুশুনো, কিয়নো আমি সৰুৰ পৰা ৰ ক ল ড এইবিলাক খুব মাইনিউটলি আমি বাইনাৰী ষ্ট্ৰাকচাৰত আমাৰ মাইণ্ড যেটো কমন হিউম্যান কণ্ডিশ্যন বুলি কয়, যে হিউম্যান মাইণ্ড ফাংচনছ ইন বাইনাৰী অপজিশ্যন. Oh, he is good, he is getting first division, he is getting third division, like that. So this immediately we understand, oh, it is rat, not cat. So our mind immediately catches the distinction between ra and ka. So this is meaning is not referential. Suppose it is we can find a structure there. Suppose if we say that I'm coming to kinship, coming back. Suppose if we say rose, what is the essence of rose? How can you identify it is a rose? Because you have seen many other flowers like lotus, sunflower, daffodils, and many others, So immediately you identify that yes, it is a rose, not the other flowers. So these units, suppose in kinship also, these units are the man and women, and they are labeled as father, mother, uncle, and so on. And there are also rules for connecting those units. Okay, there are rules for connecting those units. Suppose every culture has a kinship relationship. It starts from an incest taboo. Because of that prohibition, we have to give our daughter to another biological family, and that biological family gives their daughter to another biological family to produce another family, so that the society goes on. Levi-Strauss says that the progress from the human mind, from the animal world of nature to the human world of culture, is actually an insatiable task for cooperation and exchange among units. So this is one, that the kinship structure is there. There may be difference in that kinship relationship, but almost in every culture there is a kinship relationship, and that units, the relation of the units is slightly you can find different from culture to culture. Suppose the shoe, আমি যদি জোতাযোৰ ভৰিত পিন্ধো ঠিকে আছে, টেবুলত যদি থৈ দিওঁ, that is not good. Idea is like that. Slight difference is there, but kinship system is there in every culture and every society. So another example, we come to the assumption of our brain, so that we can immediately or conspicuously it becomes perceptible to our brain. So this is the idea that meat. Suppose meat. We all know what meat is. The stories, mythical stories. So in every country of this world, you know, Levi-Strauss, studies different meats from, and different tribes from Amazon, and also different mythological tales from different countries, you know. Uh, he uh, tries to find some units that he actually divided the meats into some constituent units that he called mythim. Mythim. These mythims he again, divided according to their function. You know, even if we go to the Bible, we find binary opposition. Suppose angel versus devil, good versus evil, rich versus poor. Even if you see the movie Titanic, there also you find the class division. That is I think that is suppose lower and upper classes, and of course good and evil is also there. So this binary opposition is there in every myth of this world. So though the tales may be different, but they are similar to some extent, and there is a structure inside every myth, and that structure is binary structure. One thing I want to emphasize that Levi-Strauss said that this binary human mind functions in binary opposition. Oh, I have forgotten for the speaker. So this Levi-Strauss, again I say the same lines. So Levi-Strauss thinks that this actually human mind functions in binary opposition, but this functioning of the human mind is, or the root of this functioning in binary opposition is not some ethical system or some belief in right and wrong, যে এইটো শুদ্ধ এইটো ভুল এই কাৰণে নহয়, এইটো instead it's simply a product of the human mind's propensity or tendency. Our mind has a tendency to classify things as good or bad. আমাৰ ব্ৰেইনে সদায় বস্তু এটা ভাল বেয়া, এইটো ভাল এইটো বেয়া, সেই প্ৰপেনচিটিটোৰ কাৰণেহে আমি বাইনাৰী ষ্ট্ৰাকচাৰত হিউমেন মাইণ্ডটোৱে কাম কৰে বুলি কৈছে। কিন্তু আমি যদি পোষ্ট ষ্ট্ৰাকচাৰেলিজিমলৈ আহোঁ, এইটো কিন্তু ঠিক বাইনাৰী ষ্ট্ৰাকচাৰটো আমি যদি ডিকনষ্ট্ৰাকশ্যন এটা পোষ্ট ষ্ট্ৰাকচাৰেলিজিম তাতো যদি আমি আহোঁ, তেতিয়াহ'লে আমি কিন্তু অলপমান যিটো মানে ষ্ট্ৰাকচাৰেলিজিমৰ এটা সমালোচনা, ইট মে বি এ কণ্টিনিউৱেশ্যন, আমি বিকজ ইনহেৰেণ্ট কণ্ট্ৰেডিকশ্যন উই ফাইণ্ড in everywhere. Suppose আমি যদি আগতে মেল ফিমেল heterosexual, homosexual, lesbian and gay কিন্তু এতিয়া পোষ্ট ষ্ট্ৰাকচাৰেলিজিমত এনেকুৱা বাইনাৰী নোহোৱা চলি আছে। কিন্তু কিছুমান পোষ্ট ষ্ট্ৰাকচাৰেলিষ্ট থিংকাৰে এনেকৈ ক'ব খোজে যে পৃথিৱীত যিমানজন ব্যক্তি আছে সিমান বিধ ছেক্সুৱেল আইডেণ্টিটি আছে। There are as many as sexual identities as there are individuals in this world. So, but this is not directly related to the structure of these binary structures. So I am summing up. It is 14 minutes. Just I am summing up, and I am again saying something on binary opposition. The relations between units in a structure occur in binary pairs, whether it is similar or it is different from each other. For example, in metaphor, what happens in metaphor? In a metaphor, one idea is established between two different things. And what happens in metonymy? It is a substitution of one thing for the other. Suppose if I say I have 4 mouths in my family to feed, that means I have a 4 family members in my family. So this, in metaphor it is based on similarity, or in metonymy it is based on substitution of one thing for the other. So the main point is that the relation between units, of a system can only be analyzed in pairs. So that is actually it is 15 and 41 second. So I have to sum up. So this is some points on binary opposition. So when class will start, probably from September onwards, we will be face to face, and I will give many ideas regarding binary opposition. So these are some basic ideas, So see the video and try to grab the basic idea of meet-him and kinship relationship, and what is binary structure, basically that day and night, man and woman, and try to read Saussurean concepts of language to understand a bit. Okay, thank you.